What's up guys, and welcome to another video for today. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to make $100, $200, $300. It's all up to you how much you actually want to make. I'll be showing you a method, a platform that you will be actually making passive income out of this platform. So before we get started, let me just remind you, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification so you'll be notified every time when I do upload a video. And if you want to learn and enjoy making money online, please do check my other videos that I have online. Surely they will help you and get you started on your journey on becoming financially free and make money online. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So today we'll be talking about this platform. It's called a Freelancer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna log out for a second. Okay, so Freelancer, the name itself is self-explanatory, but I'm just going to explain a little bit on what it's about and how to actually get started. So hire experts, freelancers for your online jobs. So people that actually want to outsource work will come to this platform and actually outsource some jobs to the public. And the freelancers, which I call myself a freelancer, we come in and then we seek these opportunities, these jobs, and actually do these jobs and get paid out of these business. So if you want to become a freelancer or you want to come and hire people, so you just come on freelancer.com. The link will be in the description. Just check it out. You can just come here, sign up, and then from there you are ready to go. So these are the top categories. There's design. It starts from $90. There's website and softwares, which starts from $200. There's writing and content, which starts from $50. Data entry and admin, which starts from $70. So these are also some of the featured projects. So freelancer contents your idea with talents anywhere. So you can use this platform no matter where you are in a country, in the US, India, China, South Africa. No matter where you are in the world, you can use this platform. It's for everybody. How you benefit: quick results, always connected, easy and secure. So you will need also, I think, a PayPal account to actually get your payment, but it depends how the person is offering payment. But most of the people are offering payments via PayPal. The world's largest crowdsourcing marketplace. Total users over 38 million people are on this platform. Project posted, over 16 million projects are just waiting for people to come and outdo them basically. So hire freelancers. If you want to come and hire a freelancer, if you are a business, freelancer project. If you are a freelancer, you just click freelancer projects, and these are the projects that are currently available. As you can see, this one was uploaded 18 minutes ago. Impression 3D, ultra sonido. I'm not too sure, and I don't understand the language that it's written in, but this guy is paying up to $30. Construction management expert writers needed for a report. Okay, so this guy is looking for construction management expert writers, which is needed for a report. He's willing to pay 85 Australian dollars. So as you can see, people also pay you in different currencies. This guy is paying for instance, he's paying in Australian dollars. That's interesting. Okay, manage Instagram profile. Wow, I'll totally do this. I need someone to revitalize my social media profile to deliver result to in the area customers. Okay, internet marketing, social networking, Facebook marketing, social media marketing. So this will need somebody that actually is knowledgeable on social media marketing. So you can just come and do this job, and then you get paid $126. This bid was like 19 minutes ago, and there's already 5 bids on it. So there are so many offers out here. You can just scroll through this the whole day, and depending whatever skills you have, you can just pick jobs, do those jobs, send them back, and then from there wait until a person approves of the job, of the quality of the job that you did for him or her, and then from there they will pay you. It's simple as that, guys. It's up to you how much you want to make. This is passive income. You can just do this daily and just let the money keep rolling in. So as you can see, I'm just gonna log into my account. I haven't used this platform, though I have checked it out and read the reviews, and everything is so the reviews are so awesome. It just caught my eye, so I was like, I have to share this out. By the way, guys, the link will be in the description. Just check out the link in the description box. Okay, so I did try it out. I did connect with somebody, and we spoke. We just had a small conversation. Like, he wanted some traffic for his website, but the website that he was asking for traffic for was not my type of content, so I disapproved of it, and I just, yeah, disapprove of it. So as you can see, you can search whatever on categories. You can do websites, you can do writing, you can do design and architect, you can do data entry. It's all up to you, guys. There are so many offers here. I can go scrolling the whole day. And the best part about Freelancer is that it also has its own app. So if you are on Android or iOS, you can come in here. They got their own app. You can just install the app. As you see, they got a 4-star rating. As you see the reviews. Very good app. I tried many freelancing, please, but I can't understand anything on the website. Okay, this person doesn't understand. But as you can see, guys, this app is doing wonders, and many people are joining this platform. As you can see, good reviews. Nice. This is a nice platform. 9 out of 10. Stupid app. Okay, you have to expect some negativity sometimes. This app is slow. Okay, this is not good. I have been charged without any notification. I want to continue subscription or not. I want to terminate my account. Okay, I'm on this app for the past 1 year. Someone else uses my PAN card. Okay, but guys, as you can see, you can also go through the reviews. But from my side, like, I've been checking on other websites, this platform is really good, and it's really making some big bucks for some people. So you can go out there and check this platform for yourself, try it out and see how it works for you. It's free to sign up. The link will be in the description, so make sure you check out the link on the description box, and then from there you just go out and sign up and become a freelancer, or you can just hire people. So guys, before I leave y'all, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. That's Ebrahim Mbokazi. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, so you will be notified every time when I do drop a new video. And guess what, I will see you on the next video, mates. From me, I'm out. Peace out, baby.
Yes, sir, seven, the man now seven.